There are some social institutions which seem to have a smaller scale on the graph. But again, these social institutions are also very important. The first and the foremost for a child is the family institution. A child is affected if anything goes wrong with this institution, because this is the first social institution the child comes across when he is growing up. So family is supposed to be the first and most important social institution where the child is going to express his feelings, ask for his rights, and would be taken care of and protected by the family. So the family unit becomes a very important social institution for the child to get the rights and know about his duties. In that case, the parents would be the role model for their children. Family also means the extended family, like aunts, uncles, brothers, sisters, parents, grandparents, could be great-grandparents. So all these people have a responsibility towards the child. And the child has ample opportunity to learn from all the members of the family. There are so many role models for the child to copy and learn from. Therefore, if a child is being criticized for what he grows up to be, it is not only the parents to be blamed for, because it is the family institution which is also responsible for the child to have acquired those habits which are not being accepted when he reaches a certain age. In order to have better results, it is good for the family to take the responsibility and not just think that everything has to be done by the parents. So by family, although it is a small-scale social institution, I mean the extended family as well. However, the parents have bigger responsibility to be the role model for their children. A good example of that is seen mostly in the schools. It has been noticed that if the parents respect the school and the society, their children follow the same pattern. If the parents do not respect the school authorities, and if they think very low about their society or the community in which they live, the children at the first stage are very confused. Sometimes this confusion may lead them to failure. The psychologists think that there is a feeling of guilt in human beings if what they belong to is not being accepted by their dear ones. So in that case, when the parents talk against the school to which the child belongs to and considers that to be his second home, he develops a sense of guilt when the school is being criticized or when the teachers are being labeled. Because inside his heart, he owns the teachers, he owns the school, and he relates himself to the community. If any of these is criticized by the parents or is labeled by the family and looked down upon, the first feeling that occurs is of guilt and shame, and that results in confusion because the mind does not settle down with the idea which is given to him by the parents or the family. And the second reaction is that he follows the same footsteps as his family and does not respect any institution such as the school or the community.